Up the road! Up the road! All they want to do is cause trouble. All they want to do is cause trouble. Don't be protesting against us. Where is the protest for our country? Not to do racism. What are you looking at? Get lost. What do you want? I told you earlier. There's no racist people here. Move down. Come on, move down here. Ignore it.
But they might be in the elements the next day because of cronyism. You gotta remember that. And the gap is growing. Capitalism is failed. And this country's the epitome of it. And we're taking it back by illegal means. And we will do it. And we won't be stopped. And that's it. We've had enough. The people of Ireland have had enough. And that's it now.
We're going to shut the country down and make it for next week. We're going to shut it down. Report the news. Don't make it.
Don't be insulting her coming back like that. She thinks she's going to betray her friends like you. Get lost. They're not wanted anymore. You wouldn't help when you were asked. Fake news. 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 Fuck off! We're going to keep it nice and peaceful. We've already told them what we're going to do. It's going to happen. So we're nice and peaceful now.
Come on, guys. Stick together. This is what's wrong with